As Zimbabwe hurtles towards the 2030 presidential election, the government has intensified its surveillance on activists, opposition leaders, and journalists. Achipere mushe pane maponzi ayo vakomana state to increase surveillance vakuona maactivist opposition leaders panguva ino yesuccession nethe 2030 agenda. Sanamira mashoko muranyirwa panapa ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti mira pano pamuzimu ayi vakomana muzana nhasi vakabatirana nawo nyora vachiti the move is seen as a concerted effort to muzzle dissenting voices and maintain a tight grip on power. The ruling party's social media activists have been orchestrating a campaign of hate speech and incitement against prominent opposition figures, including former Zambezi MP Job Scala, Gift Osalosiziwa, Peter Mtasa, the former president of the Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Union, ZCTU. These individuals have been vocal in their rejection of the proposed constitutional amendment that would allow President Mnangagwa to seek a third term. Activists and journalists across the country are being trailed by suspected state security agents, and many have reported incidents of harassment and intimidation. The regime is seeking to silence critics and potential protest leaders, and the blessing of war veterans leaders is being sought to legitimize the crackdown. The recent arrest of prominent journalist Blessing Mhlanga, who has been in detention for 9 days, has raised concerns about the state's intentions. As Zimbabwe teeters on the brink of a major political crisis, the international community is watching with bated breath. The situation demands a concerted effort from regional and international actors to press for the respect of human rights and the rule of law and democratic principles. Ndomashwambulanyo panapa aiwa vakomana vachidawo panguva ino vanoona kuti aiwa vakomana aiwa vestate aiwa surveillance panguva ino iva after maactivists maopposition leaders nevakomana majournalists as a way to silence them kuti aiwa the 2030 plan iva successful. Tudze mafukuro emo tikudiwa musoro pechitiko ichi ndakomesa kuche medu, subscribe like, turn on the bell.